It's
I'm in the
me,
mood
the
for
one I've
dancing.
always cared for you. Oh yes, it's me, the one I've always
Seriously.
loved you. I just hope you'd still remember, and I wish they
Why
crossed
I'm
your
here?
mind. All the memories that
We
we
did the
have
food.
left
We're just gonna eat up.
behind.
Julio, anak, message mo ate mo. Sabi mo, dito na tayo. Ay, I want something soft. Fluffy. And sweet. May show magaganda. So, yes. I know I'm so full, but I need to. Call me on. My hair is growing again. It's getting longer. Julio, can we just sit there first? While we don't know where to go. Yeah, because we don't know where to eat it. Oh God, I just woke up and I'm here. Huh? Why the waving at me? Do I know them? Do I know them? Oh my God. They're looking. Alright. So yes, it's Valentine's Day soon, and we were gonna have a Valentine party, and we're gonna exchange Valentine's gifts. What will I get? Ha? Napunta? Oh my goodness, I'm so lazy. So lazy. I'm wearing pajamas and I'm here at Robinson Shops. And what's wrong with my legs, Nanay? Why are you staring? I know I'm fat. Oh my gosh, I'm bored. I'm really bored. I don't know what to do. Should I go or should I not? Should I try or should I not try? try. OMG. I want to go to a place that it's so quiet and just and I just want to have coconut juice, kabuko, and white corn, mango, watermelon, banana, orange, that's all I want to do and eat. While I'm watching the sea. The wave, sound, so peaceful, so peaceful. Oh my goodness, why I'm here? What am I doing here actually? Why am I still here? If I die, I don't know where am I gonna go. But in my dream, I saw my mom. She's in the. It's like a paradise. Her house is on the top of the beach, and the lifestyle, it's like paradise. She took me there and talked to me, telling me that I should do whatever I want to do in life. Or let's just say I should be happy. Happy, don't get me wrong. I am happy. I don't know what my mom's telling me in my dream. What kind of happiness is trying to tell me. But I am happy. Always look at God. Okay, fine. Being single is not easy. But what can I do? I don't fall in love anymore. I am so not into it anymore. I just want to love myself, do things that I want to do. That I love to do. I want to travel, exercise, travel, eat, like that. That's all I want. I don't want to be, I don't want to be with someone else anymore. I'm so tired. Tired of bullshit. Tired of lies. Tired of betrayal. Tired of envy, jealousy, tired of unfaithfulness.